Hi, this is Raylene with Rich Restored Wellness, and I'm going to show you today how you can book a group session. So you can see that I am on rootsrestoredwellness.com. This is the main page, and you can click on sessions. The internet is working really slowly today, and then scroll down. Here are group sessions. So there's a lot of different topics. Some of these are 4-day sessions, some are 1-day sessions, and you just pick whichever one you want. Click on it, and I want to talk specifically about energies of supplements. This is a session that changes based on date. So if you book on October 19th versus the 26th, you will get a different session. And so you can always check here for the different topics. I do update them often. Once you're on this page, you can really book anything. You can scroll up or down and see which ones work best for you. If they have this little asterisk, this means I consider this a foundation session. And I recommend that these could be used for all clients regardless of what you're experiencing, as a great way for general balancing. So those would include balancing hormones, chakras and meridians, unplugging from the matrix. So if you're waiting for an assessment and you're not quite sure where to start, you could always start with foundation sessions. Entities is one of those. Everyone has entities, heart walls. Get the heart open. Hydration, absolutely imperative. And I'm not sure, I might have one other foundation session. And I do most sessions about once per month. Raise your vibration. So this one will clear as many topics related to or keeping you from raising your vibration. So that's a good general topic. And then releasing blocks. This is a 4-day session, and we'll dig really deep to try to help you get the most out of all the other sessions so that your body is not subconsciously blocking them for some reason. So if you'd like to book something, all that you need to do is click on book session, and you will click sign up. This one is offered on this date. The date and time does not really matter because I do these all remotely via notes. This is a 4-day session, so it is $125. Most of the sessions are $40 though. So if you click on that one, if it'll load. Internet's going really slow today. So it looks like that's not going to load. If you're not sure what my schedule is in regard to sessions when they're offered, say that maybe you would like to do 3 a week and you're not quite sure, what you can do is go to Telegram. Okay, I think that finally popped up. So this is that other session. This one's Raise Your Vibration. It's offered on this date, and again, $40. Just give your information and you'll get emailed. But if you go over to Facebook, oh, sorry, I keep covering the lens. In the pinned post, here is my group schedule. So you can click here and see all the sessions that I will be offering week by week. Every Thursday, I do add new sessions for the following week. So the schedule could change, but for the week coming up, it should be pretty accurate. Also, Telegram is another place that you can click on the pinned message, and my schedule is there as well. So you can see the updated schedule. There's more than one pinned message. So I don't know. Pinned. I have a sovereignty statement that you can check out, but the schedule is always pinned there as well. So you can always muscle test and see which ones are working best for you. So that's a quick overview of how to book group sessions. Thank you.